Okay, third grade. So really we've learned all of the rules that we need to learn for vowel consonant E. Long vowel, vowel, consonant E, one consonant in between. You have iv, that's a suffix, I-V-E. However, it can also be part of a word, give, or it can do the vowel consonant E thing and be jive and five. We learned that if you add a vowel suffix to a vowel consonant E, you must drop the E. So today, what I need you to do right now, pause this video and get a dry erase marker or a piece of paper, something. Today is really going to be me giving you spelling words or foundation words and seeing if you can spell them properly. So go ahead, get something to write with. It's going to be like as if we were in the classroom and you have a dry erase. So I will give you the word, I will give you a few minutes, and then I will spell it properly. So the first word is captive. Captive. A book can hold you captive. A video game can hold you captive. A movie, a TV show can hold you captive. A person could hold you captive. It means that you are so involved in whatever you are involved in that you can't break away. Captive. To spell captive, C-A-P, a nice closed syllable with your I-V-E. That's actually a suffix, third grade, if you can imagine, because the base word of that would be to capture, if something captures your attention. So captive. The second word. Now, these might be review from a 1-to-1 to 1 in addition. So it can be any word from any time that we've already had in Foundations. Okay, word number 2. And I can add suffixes as well. Actively. Actively. We were actively running in gym while we were playing tag. Actively. Actively. Act. Iv. Now, li is not a vowel suffix. It's a consonant suffix. So for that reason, you just add the ly, actively. The next word, hopeful. Hopeful. I am hopeful that we will all come back to school soon. Hopeful. That's a vowel consonant E with a suffix. Now you might have to pause this video if I'm not giving you enough time. Hopeful. Hope. Again, full is not a vowel suffix, so I keep the E. Hopeful. Number 4, hoping. Hoping. The team was hoping for a win. The team was hoping for a win. Hoping. Now in this case, hope is your base word. Hope is your base word. But we're going to add a vowel suffix, so you have to drop that E. Did you spell it H-O-P-I-N-G? You don't double the P, that would be hopping. Hoping. Number 5, dotted. Dotted. A lot of times people will say, sign on the dotted line. That means it looks like that. Sign on the dotted line. Dotted. Think about that word when you spell it. Obviously, it has a suffix at the end. It has that ed. Dot is your base word. It is a 1-to-1-to-1, so you would have to add that another T, dotted. Number 6, shining, shining. The stars were shining brightly. I'm adding a suffix. What would your base word be? Shining. Your base word is going to be shine. That's a nice vowel consonant E. You're adding a vowel suffix. What must you do? S, H, I, N, I, N, G. I should hear a lot of cheering out there. Shine is a nice vowel consonant E, but when we add that ing, we take that E off. Shining. Number 7. Baker, baker. A baker is someone who cooks, right? They bake. They bake cupcakes, they bake chocolate chip cookies, brownies. They use an oven. They mix ingredients together. Baker. Bake. Nice vowel consonant E, but we add the ER, B-A-K-E-R. Not backer. There's not a C-K. B-A-K-E-R. Number 8, bravely, bravely. Elizabeth bravely outsmarted the dragon in the Paper Bag Princess. Bravely. Bravely is a vowel consonant E, and we're adding a suffix ly. How would you spell that? Bravely. B-R-A-V-E. I'm adding a consonant suffix, not a vowel suffix, so you keep that E, bravely. Number 9, cutest, cutest. It was the cutest baby I've ever seen. Cutest. It was the cutest puppy I've ever seen. Cutest. How do you spell cutest? Think about the base word, cute, and then you're going to add the est. Cute. But remember, when I spell cute, I'm going to add the est, so I don't have 2 E's in it. Cutest. Number 10, shopping. Shopping. We will need to go shopping for Thanksgiving dinner. Shopping. Shopping. What kind of word is shopping? I don't hear a long vowel sound. It's probably not a vowel consonant E because it's not the iv. Shop. It's a closed syllable. What type of closed syllable? Did you say, I know that's a 1-to-1-to-1, Mrs. Duskalikes? Because it's 1 syllable, 1 vowel, 1 consonant afterwards. And did you double that final P? Number 11, smoky. Now this is tricky. Smoky. First off, there's a suffix at the end. Which suffix makes an E sound? Which suffix makes an E sound? Think about the word smoke. It's got to be a vowel consonant E because it's a long vowel sound. Smoke. Oak. That's not smoke. I have to add that E, right? But if I want to say the air is smoky around the bonfire, Which suffix am I going to add? And is it a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix? S, M, O, K, Y. Y makes the E sound, like crunch E, fluff E. And because the Y, remember, Y is considered a vowel consonant. So you drop that E. Number 12, we'll do two more. Number 12. Pavement. Pavement. Pavement is like the concrete. Pavement. Now remember, a vowel consonant E can be the first syllable. In this case, I hear a long sound, pavement, and I'm telling you that that pave is a vowel consonant E. And then you add ment. Pavement. Ave, pave, ment, pavement. That's a vowel consonant E with a closed syllable, pavement. And the very last word is prunes. Prunes. My neighbor prunes the bushes to make sure they grow better. Prunes. Prune means to cut back. It can be something that you eat. A prune can be something that you eat. It's a fruit, but it can also be a verb, something that you do to bushes to promote more growth. Prune, prune, and we're going to add just a consonant suffix so I keep that E. Okay, third grade, great work this week. We have one more week of this vowel consonant E, and it's really just more practice with knowing when to drop the E when you're adding a suffix to a vowel consonant E, and how if you don't, you might have to double because it might turn from, for example, hoping could be hopping if it's a one-to-one. So next week, we're just going to spend a little bit more time with that. Okay, thanks, third grade.